Narcissist partner doesn't want love, they want control. So, what exactly is a narcissistic partner? At its core, narcissism involves an inflated sense of self-importance, a deep need for excessive admiration, and a profound lack of empathy for others. In a relationship, this translates to a dynamic that is almost entirely focused on their needs. They see you less as a partner and more as an audience or a supply, someone who exists to validate their ego. The relationship can start with intense love bombing, where they make you feel like the most important person on earth, but quickly shift to manipulation and emotional control once they feel they have you. Let's look at the key signs you might be dealing with this. 1. The empathy switch is off. When you're upset, struggling, or celebrating a personal win, their response always finds a way to circle back to them. Your feelings are minimized or dismissed because they can't truly step into your shoes. 2. Grandiosity and a hunger for attention. They truly believe they are superior, uniquely talented, or deserving of special treatment. If you challenge this or stop feeding their ego, they become intensely defensive or angry. 3. Nothing is ever their fault. Narcissists are masters of projection. They cannot tolerate imperfection. When something goes wrong, they will twist the narrative to make you, or external factors, responsible. This includes common tactics like gaslighting, where they make you doubt your own perception of reality. 4. A double standard. They demand complete loyalty, attention, and compliance, but feel entitled to ignore your boundaries, be emotionally unavailable, or even be unfaithful. Their needs always supersede yours. 5. Your boundaries are invisible. When you set a boundary, like asking for space or a change in behavior, they don't respect it. They see boundaries as a challenge to their control, which leads to manipulation, guilt-tripping, or outright disregard until they get what they want. If these signs resonate, I want you to remember this. You are not crazy, and it is not your fault. Your job is not to fix them, but to protect yourself. First, implement gray rock. This means becoming incredibly boring and non-reactive when they try to draw you into conflict. Give them minimum information and no emotional reaction. Remember, they feed on drama. Second, seek outside perspective. Talk to a trusted friend, family member, or better yet, a therapist who specializes in relationship abuse. Narcissism is isolating by design, and you need a reality check outside of their influence. Finally, prioritize your well-being. Relationships with narcissists rarely improve. For the sake of your mental and emotional health, you must consider whether staying is worth the cost to your soul. If you are ready to leave, create a careful, planned exit strategy. You deserve to be in a relationship built on mutual respect, true empathy, and genuine love. Recognize the pattern, validate your feelings, and give yourself permission to choose peace. Be brave. Be strong. Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video.